In Taos, New Mexico, some people hear a constant low-frequency hum, like a distant diesel engine. It never stops. Nobody knows what causes it. Only about 2% of residents hear it. Similar hums exist in Bristol, England, Kokomo, Indiana, Bondi, Australia. Scientists have tested for industrial machinery, military communications, gas pipelines, electromagnetic fields. Nothing explains it. Some believe the hum is internal, generated by the listener's own auditory system, a form of tinnitus, but those who hear it insist it is external, real, maddening. The hum has driven people from their homes, the sound that will not stop, and nobody can find the source.